Morning panels. The title of our study is The Development of Vendo Printing Machine with RFID System for University of St. Salle. This study aims to design and develop a system that would automate the process of printing and reproduction of documents that will provide accessible and faster aid for the demands of students in USLS. Specifically, this study aims to answer the following questions. First objective: what applicable hardware mechanism is needed for the Vendo printing machine? A. What electronic hardware will be used to electronically accept payments that operates the machine and returns the exact change? B. What hardware can mechanically dispense desired document as soon as the user is done with his payment? C. What hardware will be used that ability to scan radio frequency identification and use it for cashless payment? Second objective: what assistive features is needed for a vending machine system? A. What features of the system will deliver daily records of transactions made by the machine that provides information such as the date and time of transaction, number of pages printed in short and long bond paper, and the machine's daily earnings? B. What feature will automatically informs the maintenance if the machine has encountered error via text message and informs customer if machine is not available? Panel's recommendation: the researchers must be able to do the following: revise the circuit diagram, remove scanning and copying of documents, notification system for printer error via GSM, infographics, printing rates, actual size of Vendo machine, and the frequently asked questions manual.
This is the circuit diagram of our universal coin acceptor and bill acceptor connected to PIC microcontroller. Then the data from the PIC will be transmitted to the computer by establishing a network communication. While this circuit diagram is for our GSM module, RFID module, and for our coin hopper connected to another PIC microcontroller. Then the data also from the PIC will be transmitted to the computer by establishing a UART communication. Schematic diagram of the whole circuit module connected to the computer. In this part of our presentation, we will be discussing about our results in discussion, primarily our test cases. So first, this is the table that shows the test case for coin acceptor transaction, and the first objective of the study is to determine the electronic device that will be used to accept the payment, and the researcher used the coin acceptor that accepts old and new 1, 5, and 10 peso coins, as well as the bill acceptor that accepts 20, 50, and 100 peso bill. The table below shows the testing of these two devices if they accept the coins and the bills under different conditions. The second objective of the study is to determine the hardware that can mechanically dispense the desired document as soon as the user is done with their payment. The printer is expected to print the documents based on what the user has input, whether in long or short, and in colored or black and white. So the table shows sample expected output since the researcher have not yet integrated the whole machine together, and the final test results will be shown on the final defense. The next table shows the test cases for the printer's output with different paper size and the printer's output whether in colored or black and white. Third objective of the study is to determine what module to use in order to implement cashless payment. The researcher used the RFID system, and the RFID module is already working and is able to read RFID cards and show their unique numbers. The researcher also are able to integrate it with the database, and the table below shows the output once the RFID and the database is already integrated. The next table will show the sample machine's daily record of transaction. So the fourth objective of the study is to provide records of the machine's daily transaction or its inventory in order for it to be used as a basis for managing the machine and for the maintenance. The last table shows the notices based on different error, which shows the different scenarios and screen output, and also the message to the maintenance. And the fifth objective of the study is to have a smart maintenance system informing the maintenance what kind of error machine has encountered. The researchers have used GSM module to inform the maintenance through text message. The table below shows the sample expected output once the machine has been integrated all together with the GSM module.